Hey, welcome. Good afternoon. Good morning, traders. Hope all is well with you. I thought I would pop on today. It's Wednesday, the 26th of August, and I thought I would just pop on, give you a little quick update of where we are, how things are going. And for the year to date so far, we are up 19.6% year to date, which to me is fantastic. We are 100% right on pace to make that 2 to 3% a month, which would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 24 to 36% for the year. And we're right on track. We're two-thirds of the way through the year, and we're sitting at 19.6, almost 20% right now. The other thing for me is that I'm up $99,500 on the year. So hopefully with a closed trade today or so, we'll break the $100,000 mark. We started the year around $414,000. So we're at 513 roughly for the year. So everything going very well. Markets are up. You should be making some money anyway, but our method is still to just keep plodding along, sticking with the strategies that continue to work for me. And I run the two systems, which is 112 or 11X style bear trap trades, very similar to uh, put ratio spreads. So that's, it's just my, little bit version of it, which is again, not new out there. It's just a trade that I prefer. I like the put ratio spreads type of strategy. I think that works really, really well. But the 112, I love it because I get a little bit more opportunity to land in the trap, which gives me a little bit of a bonus on top of just the credit that I receive. And we just closed the trade recently for over 100% because again we are close or in the traps on those. So I'll share with you a few of the two trades that closed last week. I only closed two trades last week. We don't have to close a trade every single day. I'll give you a little bit of an update of where we are right now, but running the two systems that I have. So the 11X style system, we're doing that at ES futures, other futures, and a few stocks, different lengths, different DTE, different setups for those. So there's a couple different strategies involved running that system, but again, it still works extremely well in most any environment. And we really move that put debit spread around based on the regime that we're in. So understanding the regime that you're in, the chart that you're looking at, finding the best setups, and then you just tweak the 11X trade to fit whatever regime you're in. That being said, the other style trade is the poor man covered call trade, of which I run the dynamic poor man covered call, where again, dynamically based upon regime, I'm going to be adjusting where those short calls are placed. Are the short calls going to be out of the money, at the money, or in the money for a more defensive strategy? You also have the call cannon version, which is just a quick hit weekly trade or so just to generate 1 to 2% a week of return, which will take all day long out there. So we run those trades and we closed a few of those. And then there's some spec trades, some strangles, and some put credit spreads on SPX that I do every week as well. So let me share a little bit with you what the two trades were from last week, maybe give you some ideas. If you want to learn more, obviously we can try to help with that. But the first trade here, and again, pardon the way I'm sharing this, but I've got kind of a remote setup going with me right now. But it's a 112 on Hood, so on Robinhood. We opened this trade on 8/17. We were only in this trade a short time. This was an 18 DTE original trade, but we closed it in just 4 days. We used the 90-89 put debit spread, and then we had these short puts out at 80, which was below where I felt support was as well. Did 10 contracts of that. We captured 70.8% of premium. Now, it's a little less premium than we normally go for, but because instead of waiting 12 to 14 days to take our 90% profit, we hit 70% in 4 days. So we just took the profits and ran with it. It's harder to get that last 20% than it is to get the first 70. So we took the 70%, 71% basically premium capture. Small win, $340, but we'll take that as with a 5.6% return on the margin that we used. So we used about $6,000, made $340. We'll take that all day long out there. So again, 4-day trade on Robinhood using a 112 trade. And then we also had a 112 on oil futures, which these have been paying all year long. It's been a great trade on oil with all the conflict going on in the Middle East. This is really set up very, very, very well for us to keep just putting these on until eventually it doesn't work. We opened this one on 7/31. It was a 48 DTE trade. We used the 81. I don't think that's right on there. We used the three contracts on this one. We captured 98.3% of the premium that we took in on this particular trade. And we made $1,770 on that trade in just 21 days. So 21 days. And instead of taking our profits at 90%, we left it on a little bit longer, thinking that oil might move down a little bit into that trap. And because it did get close, we were actually able to get out of this thing for 1 cent. So we had 98.3 instead of getting our 100%. But our goal is always 90 to take it off. So 90% profit or a 2x loss, depending on the trade setup, which was a nice 8.7% return on margin for this one. I believe the short put, which is erroneous on here, was we were 81 and then the 80.5, I believe, not 50.5 as it shows on here. So those are the two trades last week. We got into, again, two different 112 style trades, or got out of two different 112 style trades. This week we've closed a SPX, our weekly SPX PCS trade. We closed that for 1,080. That took only 1 day to come off. We put it on Monday, took it off Tuesday. We closed an oil or a CL Strangle as well for $1,320 this week. And we also closed a GC or a gold futures 111 trade. So again, it could be 111, 112, 113, 224, whatever it might take to put on these bear trap trades. We made $2,140 on that. We did take a loss this week on one of our call cannon trades on DPST. So we'll be posting that as well. So not everything's a winner, okay? But we try to manage those losers at a small percent of net lick, and we like to let our winners hopefully give us plenty of return and profit on there. I'm more excited sometimes when I close some of these losers just to get them off the books, and because I followed my plan. If you follow the plan, you're going to be successful. Just stay consistent. Are you going to have losses? 100%. You're going to have some decent losses? Not typically if you're following your trade plan. And you continue to grow and hone your plan as it goes. So I hope this was helpful for you. Gives you an insight of what we're doing, but we're up 19.6% for the year. We're up almost $100,000. If you want to find out more about what we're doing, find the link below. Come and join us in the Discord. Love to have you. Great discussions, great group of people, hundreds and hundreds of traders that are all rowing the same direction, trying to improve their trading. Come for the education, come for the strategies, come for all the tools, come for the community out there. And there's no way you don't become a better trader out there. All right. That being said, have a great rest of your week. We'll talk to you guys later. See ya.